guys, I'm starting this vlog in the car and I'm waiting for this light to turn green, so I might suddenly stop talking. But it is Friday and Sam and I are about to go get breakfast. We both had work off, so we're gonna have a fun day, and I thought it would be a good idea to vlog because I tried vlogging like 2 weekends ago and then it was just a fail, so figured I needed to make up for that. So we're about to go eat at Home State, which we heard about on BuzzFeed, and it's only like 10 minutes from us. So we decided to try it out, and then we're gonna go to Santa Barbara this afternoon. But I'm really nervous that this light's about to turn green, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
We're down here at Home State.
Sammy got his southern accent going.
We got breakfast tacos on the way.
So we just got our tacos. They're called the Trinity tacos, and they just have like eggs and bacon and like breakfasty stuff on them. Sam said that it's good. He tried his already.
They're so good.
So we just finished up at breakfast and it was so good. I would definitely recommend eating there if you're in the LA area. It's called Home State, and basically we just got like breakfast tacos, and I don't know about you, but I ate like the perfect amount, and I feel like every time I go out for breakfast or like brunch or something, I'm stuffing myself and then I'm uncomfortable. So I don't know, what do you think?
Oh, I thought it was really good.
Yeah.
I'd definitely go back.
Yeah, I would definitely go back, and they had other stuff too, like not just breakfast stuff, so I think it'd be cool to go get like lunch or something. And when we watched Worth It, they tried the queso and they said it was really good. So yeah,
Cool. Try it next time.
now we're gonna go to Best Buy. Okay guys, I'm about to show you my Jack Rogers, and just a warning, they are extremely disgusting. So this is what my Jacks look like after, I think, at least 3 years. This might be 4 years that I've owned them, but I'm really upset because I just noticed that it's like cracking, if you guys can see that. So do you guys see like that crack in it, plus the heel is starting to separate like from the shoe. So I'm kind of nervous because I love these so much, and I own 2 pairs of Jacks, and I never wear my newer pair because like they're just not as broken in and as like comfortable. So I don't want to have to get another pair of platinum ones and like go through the whole blistering process of breaking them in, because these are literally molded to my feet at this point. Comment down below, since I know that a lot of you guys have like a similar style to me, comment down below if you have a pair of Jacks that have lasted you more than like 4 years, because I feel like that's definitely like that's a long time to own 1 pair of shoes and wear them to the extent that I wear mine. On another note, there's a big billboard right there about Scientology, and I want you guys to comment and let us know if you know anything about it, because we drive by like the Celebrity Center all the time, and we were watching videos about it the other day, and I guess it's like super strict to be like a part of the Church of Scientology, and they have like so many rules, and just it's kind of crazy. Like when I first heard like the Church of Scientology and I didn't know anything about it, I thought that it was gonna be like a combination of religion and science but this is just like so far-fetched, and it's, yeah, definitely not at all what I expected. So comment down below if you know anything about Scientology, if you have any good like videos that we could watch, or like documentaries that we could watch about the Church of Scientology. Sammy, would you ever join it?
Never.
You don't want to be a part of the Sea Org?
No.
Never?
Never.
You don't want to sign your life away for 1 billion years?
No.
Anyways, we're on our way to Best Buy now before we go to Santa Barbara for 2 reasons. One, I need an external hard drive, like that's like #1 priority, because I have my old laptop still, and in case you don't follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't have seen that I got a MacBook Pro, and I've needed a new laptop for a very long time. Like the one that I had before, my old laptop, was like $400. I bought it as a freshman or sophomore in high school, just like for basic stuff. And I remember even like last summer talking to my mom about needing a new laptop, and I just like kept putting it off. And then after everything happened with Ryan, it got to a point where I was like super paranoid every single time that I like used my laptop, that it was just gonna crash and I was gonna lose all of my pictures and like everything. So I'm buying an external hard drive and literally just putting everything that's on that laptop on this external hard drive. And then the other thing is that, little fun fact about me, I love Sims like so much. And I'm not talking about like Sims Replay, blah 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 blah. I'm talking about like Sims on your computer. I'm playing for like hours on end until 3 in the morning. Like when I was in middle school and on summer break, that's literally all that I would do with my time. But I haven't played in a while because we have it on like our old desktop at home, and I never wanted to put it on my laptop because I was just like too nervous about making it like overwhelmed and like slowing down my laptop. So I think I'm going to try putting it on my old laptop after I get everything taken off of it, and like hopefully that makes it run faster. Like even though it's an old laptop, I kind of want to just like try playing it on Sims, because I really, oh, it says Scientology Media Productions, and they have so many like guards and everything, like just to even get into the place. But anyways, I really want to play Sims right now. So I'm gonna try putting it on my old laptop, but I also just want to talk to someone at Best Buy like about putting it on a Mac. This is a really long clip and I was like super rambly, but I just want to know your opinion on all of those things. So let me know about Jack's, how old yours are. Let me know if you know anything about the Church of Scientology, and then comment down below if you play Sims, and like I mean real Sims, not on your phone. Like that does not count at all. So yeah, this is a long clip. I'm gonna end it. So we just made it to Best Buy. Let's go talk to their geek squad about Sims. Sammy, where are we going?
The usual.
The usual, the daily.
Where we normally go. Hi.
So I got my external hard drive at Best Buy. Now we're at Starbucks because I can't stay away. Can you come get your water?
Yeah.
All right, to Santa Barbara. You're really dark because of the lighting. I'm a happy camper. So we have a like 2-hour drive. I'm gonna play some Sims. I'm just thinking about Sims. That's all I can think about, okay?
Don't even have it.
No, I was gonna say I'm gonna play Harry Potter. I was literally in such a rut this week waiting for the new update to come out for the Harry Potter like Hogwarts mystery game. Bless you. Because I was like at the point where like the game stopped, and it makes me so angry that they like released an unfinished game. I'm not gonna complain about it too much. Currently searching with Nearly Headless Nick. Yep, that's me. So after a like 2-hour drive, we finally made it to Santa Barbara. It's like super pretty. You're probably not gonna be able to like see, but up there it's like all the hills with the houses and everything. So we like came to an area that there's just a lot of shopping, and we're probably gonna get dinner soon, so I'm excited. Also, this makes me think of Psych. Did you watch Psych?
No, but what makes Santa Barbara makes you think it's like?
Yeah, because they filmed it, or it takes place in Santa Barbara. I don't know if they actually filmed it here or not. Yeah. So we came into Forever 21 because I need a new pair of sunglasses. I break mine like all the time, but I have such a love-hate relationship with this store. Like I feel like every time I come in here, I just get super pissed off at like how unorganized everything is, and then I just leave and shop online. So we've just been like walking around and stuff, but it's getting kind of late, so I think we're gonna go eat soon. Also, whenever I don't eat, I get cranky, so that could be why I'm like not in the mood to shop too. This is so weird. Have you ever been in a salt room?
No.
So we just stopped and got some dinner. We've been like shopping for so long, but every time we go into a store, I almost dropped my phone. Every time we go into a store, I like try a bunch of stuff on, but then I never get anything. So we came for dinner, and I don't know how much later we're gonna stay because we have a 2-hour drive, but that's it. Oh, the last clip was from the salt room, so I have to explain that. So there's this store that literally just has a salt room, so we were just like walking around in it, which was really cool, but yeah. Do you have anything to say, Sammy?
Nope, I'm excited for Italian food.
Yeah, I'm really hungry. It's like I didn't realize that I was hungry until we got here. But there's like not much to say because we haven't really done anything. We've just been walking around. This gets me very excited. Do you want to do a box of 6?
Sure.
Ooh, should I do creme brulee or the salted caramel? Okay, so we came to this place called Le Macaron. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it. And we got some gelato, and the cups look like the pink bags. And we got some macaroons, but I don't know. Do you want to eat the macaroons now or save them for later?
Let's eat them now.
Eat them now? Yeah, because our gelatos are like super little. So Sam got chocolate, and I got a creme brulee. And I tasted it already, and it's really, really good. Should we set it up, do you think? No, you can't see us if it's set up like that. We should do that for the thumbnail. Okay. Guys, look at the view from the parking lot or parking garage thing that we're in. Like, what? This is so pretty here. Look how light my hair looks right now.
We need gas!
It looks so bad. Guys, when I lightened my hair like this was not at all what I wanted it to look like, but because my natural hair is obviously like so dark, they had to lighten it, and then the dye faded, so I'm just kind of left with like my bleached hair right now. And I tried re-dyeing it, and then that dye faded too. So like, I don't know what is up. I know I'm using the right shampoo and conditioner and everything, but both times that I got my hair dyed, it didn't last more than a week, I'd say. So I'm really like pissed about that because it's not cheap to get your hair colored. But a lot of people have even said like that they like it how it is now, but I wanted it to be like so subtle, and this is not very subtle in my opinion. But yeah, we are leaving Santa Barbara now. So yeah, we didn't really do much today. We just like walked around and shopped, but I really liked this area for like a place to go shopping, because the Grove just gets like so busy. I also love when there's the mix of the palm trees and normal trees like that. I think it just looks really pretty.
We didn't go down here, did we?
No, we didn't shop down here at all. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. We have a 2-hour drive back home, and then I don't know exactly what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. I am gonna turn this into like a weekend in my life vlog. Sorry, I'm like looking at everything because I wanna.
That's cool.
Yeah, there's like so much cool stuff that we didn't even get to see. I'm probably not gonna vlog anything for the rest of the night, so I will just talk to you guys in the morning and let you know what we end up doing. Alright guys, so it is Saturday now, and it's like 2:30 on Saturday, and I haven't vlogged yet because we literally haven't done anything all day. Right now I'm sitting here with my old laptop and my new laptop, and I'm just like transferring all of the stuff onto this external hard drive that I bought yesterday. And then I think that once I get all of that stuff backed up onto the external hard drive, I really think I'm gonna try playing Sims on here. I wanna play so badly right now. And if I can do it on my old laptop and not risk like slowing down my brand new one, then that'll make me very happy. So this has been going for quite a while now. It is about 75% of the way done, so good to go. I'm just like super paranoid about losing any of this stuff. And I'm also gonna get a lot of pictures like printed, that way I have like digital copies and physical copies of everything with Ryan. I just like really get super paranoid when I think about the fact that I could lose all these things, so that would not be good. But yeah, nothing at all has been happening today. We might end up doing something in a little bit, but this has really just been like a lazy Saturday, which I'm fine with. Yesterday to me felt like Saturday, even though it was Friday, so we kind of have like a long weekend. We might do some fun stuff tomorrow though, so I'm still gonna continue the like weekend in my life vlog. But yeah, this is a real life Saturday for me. I'm not a super outgoing person, fun fact, and Sam is, so I feel bad sometimes because like he wants to go out and do stuff, but I'm totally content with just staying in sometimes and not really doing anything exciting. But I will let you guys know if we end up doing anything later today. That looks just, oh.
What?
I was gonna say that looks just like your phone.
It's okay.
So we came to Best Buy, and obviously I don't look good at all because I wasn't planning on going out, but I swear I haven't been to Best Buy in like years, and now twice in one weekend I'm here. But we have to go to like the grocery store, so we're gonna go to Target, and Sam wanted to come to Best Buy to play with everything. But when I started this vlog, the clip when I was laughing, it's because like whenever we first walked in, they have the table with the like iPhones on display, and Sam put his on top of the phone display, and I was like, oh my god, that looks just like your phone.
But it is mine.
Because it was his. So we're just gonna look around. Is there actually like anything that you want?
No.
Okay. Everything. We just left Target. I look crazy right now. So crazy. My hair's a mess. I don't have any makeup on. I look crazy. But we're leaving Target now. We just got like a couple things. It wasn't like a full grocery shopping trip or anything. We wanted to get steak for dinner tonight and then just like random things that we ran out of. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else today. I didn't even think we were gonna go out at all, and we did go out for a little bit, so I don't know. But I'll let you guys know what we end up doing. If not, I might not talk to you until tomorrow. All right guys, it is Sunday now and we're on our way to Santa Monica. We're gonna have like a little beach afternoon and we're gonna bird around. If you guys know what that is, they're those scooters that you just like scan with your phone. And we're gonna just like relax all afternoon. Also, quick Sims update. I got it. Okay, so on my old laptop, I just like downloaded Origin, which is sort of like the cloud for EA games, and like it already had Sims 3 in my Origin account because like that's what I have on our computer at home. So I didn't have to spend any money on Sims, and I was playing on my laptop until like 2 in the morning and it was not slow at all, even though I was playing it on my old laptop. So I am a very, very happy camper. But I have also created a bit of a monster because now that I can play it, I know that I'm not going to stop. So yeah. There's so many people. So we finally made it to the beach, but there's so many people here, and like I knew it was gonna be crowded just because Santa Monica always is, but I hate, like, I don't know, every time I've been to a beach on the East Coast, it's like you show up and there's like maybe a couple other families there and that's it. So like to come to a beach like this and have there be this many people, it's like, I don't know, it just really bothers me for some reason. And I get claustrophobic really easily sometimes, so we're just gonna like go up and walk around on the pier and everything. And I feel really bad because we walked so far out trying to find a place that it wouldn't be crowded, and then we ended up just turning around anyways. So that's what's up. I guess this wasn't the best time to start vlogging because there's so many people talking on like big speakers, but we're in Venice right now and we've just been birding around, which I really wish that I could vlog and do at the same time. How long do you think we've been birding? Like an hour? Yeah, we've been doing it for so long. But yeah, we're over in Venice, but we're gonna go back to Santa Monica because that's where we parked, and then I think we're gonna go get dinner.
SheIn entered into the world. You see, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, this lighting's like really bad. Like really, oh, it's getting a little better. It's really, really bad though. Anyway, so we came to Cheesecake Factory for dinner. I don't know if I said that earlier, but I'm really excited to eat. Do you have anything to say, Sammy? See, the lighting's so much better on you.
I'm excited to get cheesecake.
Yeah, we came here like specifically because we want cheesecake. I haven't had it here in a long time. I think I've only ever had Cheesecake Factory cheesecake like a couple times, so I'm excited. This looks amazing. That's not what I expected to happen. Sam got the white chocolate with raspberry? And then I got the salted caramel cheesecake. So we just made it back and I'm going to end the vlog now because nothing else is going to be happening for the rest of the night. This vlog was kind of not very exciting in my opinion, but this was like a real weekend in my life. Also so excited because I'm going to be vlogging next weekend too, because one of my best friends, Abby, which if you guys watched the video where it was like best friend versus sister, that's Abby in that video. So Abby's coming out next weekend with 2 of her friends from college and I'm so excited, mostly because I haven't seen any of my friends or anything like all summer, so we're gonna have a lot of fun. And like, even though I'm really not good like with LA stuff yet, it's kind of like I'm the one that knows what I'm doing and I get to like show them around and everything and like take them to all the normal popular LA places. I don't know, so I'm so excited for them to come visit. And yeah, look out for that vlog too. And if you guys want me to do more vlogs, or like if you have any other video ideas or anything, let me know as always. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.